Today we're going to be adding some more basic functionality to our web browser that I forgot to add in the last tutorial. Now, let me point out that I'm going to put all my knowledge into this last tutorial. So after this last tutorial, and after we add these two buttons, I'll no longer be able to show you any more in Visual Basic, simply because I don't know anymore. But when I know, as I've said before, my focus is changing and it's moving on to development. So I strive to learn more of this. So when I do learn more, I make more tutorials. But there's only certain to be one last tutorial after this. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add two more buttons for our extra functionality, and that's gonna be a Go Home button and a Stop button. So you know the drill by now. We're just gonna change drag a button on and change the text to home. And we're gonna make another button. Button. And we're just gonna say search page. And then let's start adding this functionality to our other buttons. Here's what they're gonna do. One of them will take us home, and one of them will take us to our default search page. So we're just gonna click the home button, and we're gonna enter web browser 1. Web browser one dot go home. And then we're going to click on our other button, go back to our design, and then we're going to click it and type in web browser 1 dot go search, and that's all we need to type. And then we're just gonna save that. And then we're gonna run our application. So we're just gonna go to it. And something else we need to do is define our home page, so we've got somewhere to go home to. And we can do this in the GUI without typing any code. And all we need to do is select our main form, that's our main window, and then go over to the property which says and in the URL box type your home page. So in my case it's going to be www.msn.com. And it puts it in there. Now we're going to click build. And it's going to load up our default homepage. So let's now click search page. That's going to take us to the search page, right? And just to prove that the home button works, we're going to click home. And then that goes home. So we're gonna that's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and see you in my next tutorial where we're gonna be finishing our application. Thank you.